Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Today I'll show you how to add different type of cards to Google Pay. Let's open Google Pay firstly and tap on Passes. Tap blue button at the bottom and choose Loyalty or Gift Card. In Loyalty program you can add your loyalty card to one of the selected shops. For example, Shell. Scan your card or enter details manually. Now, let's go to gift card. Very similar to loyalty program, but you have to add your card number, PIN, balance and your note. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.